Welcome. In this video, we will explore SQL views, what they are, when to use them, and how they can simplify your database management. A view is a virtual table that provides a way to represent data from one or more tables. Unlike tables, views don't store any data. They present it dynamically. Views offer several benefits such as simplifying complex queries, enhancing security by restricting access to specific data, and providing a consistent interface for data access. To create a view, you use the create view statement. Here is a simple example that demonstrates how to define a view based on a table. Once created, you can query a view just like a regular table using the select statement. Here is how it looks in practice. While some views are updatable, there are limitations depending on how they are defined. Let us discuss what makes a view updatable and provide an example. Views are particularly useful in scenarios such as simplifying reporting, aggregating data, or providing a specific subset of data to users without exposing the underlying tables. Best practices include keeping views simple and easy to understand, avoiding excessive nesting of views, and documenting their purpose for future reference. In conclusion, views are powerful tools for managing and presenting data in SQL. I encourage you to practice creating and using views to enhance your database skills. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more SQL tutorials.